First thing I do for every stone is get it on the top and line it up with a flat lap like my 600 to make sure all the edges will line up well with the design that I'm doing. For moissanites, I have a set of laps just for moissanites. Since it's such a hard material, if there's a small chip or any residue that stays behind, it won't scratch any other stones. Alright, tip looks good and it meets perfectly at the other side there. Perfect. Alright.
So you can see how yellow moissanite turns after cutting, especially whitening technique, and this one is done.